Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jack at Barbecue. So today we're actually on location. We're at our cameraman Jack's house. We previously did a pork loin rotisserie on his grill. He has a high-end Frontgate gas grill. So tonight we're going to do some beautiful Tomahawk Ribeyes. As you all know, ribeyes are my favorite. Throw a tomahawk in there and can't get much better than that. So we're going to do them indirect on his grill and then try to sear them off. His gas grill really gets hot in temperature, so we're hopefully going to get a nice sear on these things once it's all done, but going to take it to about 105, maybe 110, and then we're going to pull them off, blot them dry, and crank the grill up and get them real hot and sear them off. Tonight's beer, a little special going on since we have tomahawks. We got some Dogfish Head 120 minute. Purchased this in beginning of October in 2016. We shelved it for 2 years, which is what we're told to do because it's like 17, 18% alcohol. It's supposed to calm that alcohol flavor down and you're supposed to taste more beer. So tonight we're going to find that out when we crack these open and do our little toast, take our first sip. So we'll see you out in the grill. All right, so we're at the grill. We're going to throw them on. Jack's grill works. He's got a left, right, and center. We heated everything up, got the grates cleaned off, turned the center off, let it cool down. We were at about 290, which is a good temperature I'm going to start with here. You're going to see a New York strip on top. We got to make the wives happy and make sure we have enough meat for everybody. So, but I'm going to throw the tomahawks on. We're going to let it warm up to, like I said, 105 to 110, and then we're going to take them off, get the grill cranking, and we're going to sear them off. I didn't mention that I dry brined them yesterday. So as you can see how nice these are looking. Brined them yesterday, let them sit overnight uncovered in the fridge. And now we're just going to put them in the grill. I'm just going to put the New York strip on top to let it warm up. But the tomahawks are the show. And they look nice. We'll come out and probably flip them when they get to about 80 degrees. All right, so we're going to turn them when they get to 80. One's at 83 and one's at 75, so I'm going to move them around a little bit. I'm going to bring this one to me and turn it. And then put this one in the back and turn that one as well. All right, like I said, I think 105, when one hits, probably now that they're a little bit different, we'll see where the temperature goes to. We're gonna go to 105 area. I might let one go to 110 and the other one to 105, and then we'll pull them off before we sear them. All right, so I took them in, blotted them dry, put some olive oil on them, and some pepper. And now I'm just gonna sear them off. I'm gonna sear them on the outside edges that we didn't use yet. So we have everything cranking on high. Let them go for about a minute and a half aside, come back and turn them. All right, been a minute and a half. Looks good. Let that go for a little bit. I want to watch that flame. All right, want to check out the flames. It's making a nice looking sear. I'm going to let that go like that just to kind of finish them off at this point. Be back here shortly to pull them off. Thank you. All right, got to yank them off here. Baby's running nice and hot. They look good. All right, we'll show you what's inside. We'll cut into one and take a bite of one. As always, cheers. So the dogfish head, 120 minutes, sitting 2 years, definitely mellowed out a little bit. Still tastes very strong alcohol-wise, but that's what it is. It's, I want to say, like I said, 17, 18% alcohol. Tonight we did Tomahawk Ribeyes on location, Jack's house on his Frontgate gas grill. Did them indirect, had them in the center, just had the outside burners on, brought them up to, one was 107, one was 105. Took them off, blotted them dry, cranked up the grill, got it, like I said, really cranking, seared them off, and they're probably finishing around 125, which is the low end of medium rare. Just the way we like them though. So, can I show you what they look like? Take a bite out of them. If you can see that, and the juice that came out of that, that is a beautiful medium rare to low rare. Tonight I decided to go caveman, so we're gonna try a bite here. See what it looks like. Beautiful char. You can tell I dry brined them overnight. A little bit of that salt flavor, and the pepper that I put on once I put the olive oil on right before we seared them. Excellent steaks. Can't wait to dig into these things tonight. So like we were seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get the notifications, share the videos with your friends, and we'll see you next time.